Welcome students, I am Adlin Lebinsa, lecturer of Immunology College of Pharmacy. Today topic is limit test for sulphate. First we see the principle. Limit test of sulphate is based on the reaction of soluble sulphate react with barium chloride in the presence of dilute hydrochloric acid to produce the barium sulphate, which appears as solid particles or like a turbidity in the solution. SO4 means soluble sulphate, BaCl2 means barium chloride. In the presence of dilute hydrochloric acid, BaSO4 is formed. BaSO4 means barium sulphate and chlorine will remove. Next we see the procedure of the limit test of sulphate. We take two nested cylinder, one is test, another one is standard. In test sample nested cylinder we take first specific weight of compound is dissolved in water or solution, is prepared as direct assay in a pharmacopoeia and transferred in nested cylinder. Next we add test sample nested cylinder, add 2 drops of hydrochloric acid, diluted hydrochloric acid. Next dilute 45 ml in nested cylinder with water and add 5 ml barium sulphate reagent, and these are added. Next we keep aside for 5 minutes and observe the turbidity. Next nested cylinder we detergent the standard solution. Take 1 ml of solution of potassium sulphate in nested cylinder and add 2 ml of diluted hydrochloric acid and add diluted with water 45 ml in nested cylinder. Next we add 5 ml of barium sulphate reagent. These all are added and keep aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes observe the turbidity. We compare the test nested cylinder and standard nested cylinder. We took observe the turbidity of both of the cylinder and give the result. Barium sulphate reagent contain barium chloride, sulphate free alcohol and small amount of potassium sulphate. These are the procedure of the limit test of sulphate. Observations. The turbidity produced in sample solution should not be greater than standard solution. If turbidity produced in sample solution is less than the standard solution, the sample will pass the limit test of sulphate. If the sample solution is less than standard solution, the turbidity will produce sample solution is less than the standard solution means pass the limit test of sulphate. Otherwise fail. Limit test of sulphate is fail. This is the observations of the limit test of sulphate. Next, reasons of limit test of sulphate. Reagents use. Hydrochloric acid help to solution acidic. To make the solution acidic, we add the hydrochloric acid. Potassium sulphate is used to increase the sensitivity of the test. In sample solution and standard solution, the test will be sensitivity. The sensitivity increase, we use the potassium sulphate by giving the ionic concentration in the reagent. Third one, alcohol helps to prevent supersaturations. The alcohol is used in this limit test of sulphate because to prevent supersaturation and so produce more uniform opal acids. The alcohol helps to produce more uniform opal acids will be produced in the limit test. These are the reasons, principle, observation, procedure, result. These are the limit tests of sulphate. Thank you.